Snagging that crypto honestly felt like uncovering some secret bonus level in a game. Like one of those Easter eggs only the real ones find. No joke, it felt like I unlocked a whole new world. If you're ready to get in on this, I'm laying it all out step by step right now. Back then, I'd chase every pump like it was gold. Dropped cash and poof, gone like it never happened. Just losses all around. Then I stopped playing like that. Got focused, made a game plan, and kept grinding daily. That's when it all shifted. I'm pulling in 5 times profits now. The real key? Not giving up. Stick around, I'm going to show you the full strategy. But before I drop the full game plan, we gotta rewind a bit and cover the basics. No skipping steps here. Pump fun might look like the easy route, but trust me, there are a few issues under the hood. So let's break that down first. Just hop onto Photon, set the filter to pump fun, and boom, tokens dropping left and right like crazy. But almost all of them tank right after they hit the charts. That's what happens when it's way too easy for anyone to throw a coin out there. Most are just noise. Now head over to Raydium and mess with the filter settings. You'll notice right away how clean everything feels. Tokens are dropping at a steady pace, like one every minute. That rhythm's no accident, it's built to keep things from going wild. You've got locked liquidity, solid caps, and volume that's rising quick. Why? Because only devs who know what they're doing get through. That's the secret sauce here. Stick around, I'm gonna walk you through the whole setup. Honestly, it almost feels like cheating. Launchtool took all the tricky stuff out of making a token. You don't need to code, not even a little. Like someone's grandma could literally do it. Just hop onto Raydium, tap through a few options, and boom. Your token's up and running. I've done this whole routine multiple times now, and the outcome blew my expectations out of the water. Let's get into logo design. Canva is what we'll use since it's simple and does the job. You can build your design around anything that's trending or just something you vibe with. I've been seeing this super chill dog all over TikTok lately, and his memes are gold, so I'm making him the star of my token. Okay, with your logo uploaded, the next step is to verify the dimensions. Make sure it's sitting at a clean 128 by 128 pixels. If something looks off, adjust it now. Once it looks sharp, smash that save button and you're good to go. Time to roll. Fire up Launchtool and link your Phantom wallet again. It takes like 2 seconds. When the form pops up, enter Calm Dog Coin where it asks for the name and Calm Dog as your symbol. If you're not feeling like writing a description, no worries. I'm skipping it too. Then just upload your logo from Canva and click Next to head to the next screen. Maintain the values in decimals as they are presented. Negative on the adjustment requirement. Once data validation is complete, execute Next to continue the process. Verification costs 0.1 Solana. Your call if it's worth spending. I'm skipping it for now to save my Solana. Hit that skip button and let's move to the next part. Throwing in your socials might boost attention, mainly if you're already kind of internet famous. But it's not needed. Raydium's got the tech side locked down. Just smash skip and let's keep it moving. Wait a second, don't mess with these options. You could save 0.3 Solana by disabling them, but you'll risk scaring off potential investors who don't want to deal with a risky token. They need mint and freeze to be locked. If they're not, you're probably going to look sketchy. The smart choice? Keep them locked and confidently hit the Launch My Token Now button. Hang tight for a moment. Now go ahead and hit that transaction button in your wallet. Just a quick tap. Let it process for a few seconds and boom, your token is live and good to go. Pop into Solscan and you'll notice it's all good. Your token's now on Solana without a hitch. No alerts, no questionable moves, just a perfect on-chain verification. Time to take action. Let's make this token happen. Jump back into Launchtool and press the Create Liquidity Pool button. It'll take you straight to Raydium, where we'll create the pool and set our sights on major returns. Let's get your MemeCoin out there. Go to launchtool.io. Copy the contract address and paste it into Raydium. Use Calm Dog for the symbol and Calm Dog Coin for the full name. Hit Add User Token to finish the process. When it comes to liquidity, if you've got 1 billion tokens, throw 900 million into the pool. Pair it with Solana to keep everything running smoothly. Choose the max option for your Solana, then subtract 0.2 Solana. This ensures you've got enough left for transaction fees. A 2% fee is ideal, striking the right balance to keep investors happy without scaring them off. Almost there. Now press Initialize Liquidity Pool. Your Phantom wallet will pop up asking for approval. Just hit approve and you're all set. That's it. Your token's officially live. Open Photon and make sure the Raydium filter is enabled. Keep watching the screen. Your MemeCoin will show up soon. As soon as it does, you'll know it's live and good to go for trading. Go back to Launch Tool and ensure you've copied the full token address. Then, head over to Deck Screener, open any coins page, and replace the contract address in the URL with yours. Or just search directly for your coin. You'll see your chart pop up, nice and clean. When you're one of the first, you've got the upper hand. Every trade feels like a win, with the market supporting you. Being ahead of the pack lets you skip most of the losses. Just chill and let the profits grow naturally. Look at the chart for a sec. You'll notice a couple of spikes showing up. Those quick fluctuations, just bots shifting coins around, no surprises. The real deal comes when a whale makes a huge buy. Right now, it's just the typical action with a fresh coin. Only 8 minutes have passed since we launched, and we've seen a $43 payout hit. Everything's checking out. Strong market cap, good liquidity, and the chart confirms it all. This is the kind of action we're after. Let's give it a bit more time. Alright team, we're 11 minutes in since the coin went live, and we just pulled in a $51 buy, nearly 0.3 Solana. Liquidity's stable, market cap's looking strong, and the numbers are holding firm. Definitely a positive signal. It's been about 17 minutes since the coin dropped, and we just received $89 and then $62 in purchases. Everything is stable, but let's not risk waiting too long. Let me show you how to safely withdraw your liquidity now, step by step. Time to get going. Start by linking your creator wallet to Raydium. It's fast and simple. Next, head to the Portfolio tab and dive in. Select the standard option to view your assets. If they're not there yet, don't sweat it. Give it about 10 to 15 minutes, especially if you just added liquidity. Once they pop up, hit the small minus sign to withdraw the 100%. Choose Solana as your currency, approve the transaction, and you're set. Okay team, confirmation has been received. Your liquidity has been successfully moved. Proceed to access your wallet to view the total amount now available. Everything's lined up perfectly, and the results are speaking. This strategy has been giving some impressive returns. With how the market's shaping up, now's a great time to get in if you've been thinking about it. Plus, you can just rinse and repeat whenever you want. Things are moving quickly. The timing is right, and if you keep at it, there's big potential for growth. Just to clarify, Launch Tool, Photon, and Raydium aren't paying me to say any of this. I'm just sharing what's been effective for me. For more details, check out the description or pinned comment. Everything is there.